let's begin with some good news of the day, and especially if you are in Maharashtra, you're going to love this one. Timings of shops and restaurants have been extended now in Maharashtra. The decision taken after the meeting of COVID task force this afternoon. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray also met with the COVID task force this a day after Maharashtra and Mumbai for the first time since the onset of the pandemic reported 0 deaths. It's a landmark moment. It's a moment of hope for Mumbai as well. And let's cut across at that point to Saurabh Gupta, who joins us from outside one of those eateries over there. Saurabh, Mumbai, Maharashtra had to wait the longest perhaps for that to happen. At the moment, we don't know the timings yet, do we? And how soon is that expected to come out? Hoping that the festival season perhaps will see a lot more customers for a lot longer duration of time now.
Well, one of the reasoning behind, this further set of relaxations is, of course, the number of cases that have come down quite significantly, and the fact that Mumbai yesterday, for the first time since the beginning of the pandemic, recorded no COVID-related deaths. So in a way, with the city's vaccination picking up pace, with a huge number of the population eligible, those eligible for vaccines having received at least 1 dose and, in line for the second dose very soon, the city needs to recover losses, and restaurants like these would shut at 10 o'clock. And that is difficult for businesses because the fact is that a lot of the people come out for dinner only post 9, 10. So if the timings are extended, it would be helpful for them. And also along with that, more relaxations in the form of amusement parks being allowed to open with the rider, that water rides will not be allowed immediately. So the state still, keeping an eye on COVID very, very carefully, not letting it go completely, but many relaxations being announced. And of course, one of the driving forces in these relaxations have been several ministers in the government as well, many arguing that at this point now the government needs to look at economic recovery, and for restaurants like this which have lost business during the pandemic and even then been struggling to recover because of the timings, this is definitely very good news.
Right. Sort of possible to sort of get in a word there. I see some people behind you from these restaurant owners, perhaps, or people who are out, on what their reaction is to this news.
Actually, I did ask them, but they're still waiting for someone who is, going to speak to come. So otherwise I would have asked. But yes, I did speak to them, and they were saying that, this is a very good move and they want that to be implemented as soon as possible. Because like I mentioned, you see now, this is about 7:15 and the restaurant is pretty empty. Now, the business that is expected is between till 10. But at this point, that's not happening simply because most people come out for dinner post 9, and 10 o'clock means basically they have just 1 hour window. So that is one thing that in fact, that is the relaxation that restaurant owners specifically want, that, increase the timing, ensure that protocols are followed, but increase the timing so that our hours to do business get extended.
Right.
And also we can maintain protocols.